everything could ease right. Yeah, I'm his little baddie. Yeah, I'm his little boo thing. And yeah, I got that fatty. Yeah, I'll be catching mood swings.
Hello beautiful people, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lindsay Akinbile, and today's video is a skincare video which I am so excited about because it's been a while. I've been working on my skin. I have been trying some new products, and today we are talking about how to get rid of sunburn. And I am trying so many reviews. I am using food, I am using skincare, I am using natural product, and I'm also reviewing cream that would work for acne, lightening, and sunburn. So if you want to hear these tips, please stay tuned and make sure you keep on watching. Okay, first of all, I just want to make it clear, I am not a dermatologist. I am just here to share my opinion and my honest review and my research. I've tried so many of these creams, so I'm here to save you from trying any of this harmful and very good products. How to get rid of sunburn. Sunburn, we all know that's red patches on the skin due to work, stress, working under the sun. It is also due to alcohol and drink. Trust me, once you drink too much, there are some things that attract sunburn to your skin. Once you drink, and once you don't use your sunscreen, and once you don't moisturize your skin, once you drink a lot, to attract more sun and sun damage to your skin. So I advise you to get a sunscreen. I know so many people are talking about sunscreen, get rid of sunburn. It takes time anyways. It takes time. I'll also advise you to moisturize your skin. You can get Nivea moisturizing cream. You can get this blue seal gel, this Vaseline. You can get this blue seal Vaseline to moisturize with your sunscreen, and you can even use natural products. Natural product like this Aloe Vera Gel and this Vaseline would help you seal. And one of the best ways to get rid of sunburn are with natural ingredients like food. You can use tomatoes, you can use your cucumber, you can use your strawberry. All this will help you get rid of sunburn. And cold water, like, it's not even about using warm water to rinse your face after your skincare routine. Try using cold water. It's going to close that pores. It is going to seal your face. And make sure you also use aloe vera gel. Yes, you have to wear your sunscreen under your makeup, under your cream, under your moisturizer, but you also need aloe vera gel. You can mix your moisturizer and your aloe vera gel. I would share some of the products I have tried and how it works. So these natural products, they took time, but when I tried some of this cream that I got from brand, some even made it worse, some even helped. I am going to share all of that with you. I bought this sunscreen when I wanted to get this sunscreen. I made research online, then I saw this one that contains vitamin, SPF, 90% sunscreen and moisturizer. It is mixed sunscreen and moisturizer. So I got this one. It was so white. It is really nice, but it is so white. I don't really wear makeup lately, so I can't start applying foundation on my face because I want to use my sunscreen. So I advise you to get a nice settle sunscreen that you can just apply and it will sink into your skin. You won't even have that white undertone, but this one will give you that white undertone. So you have to go for something very settle that would moisturize and sink into your skin. You really need to get sunscreen to prevent sunburn. It contains vitamin, it helps your skin stay moisturized and prevents it from any other skin damages. So before we proceed with the skincare product, I would love to tell you about another product that also helps the skin. It helps your hair as well. This will help you get rid of sunburn, acne, rashes, chicken skin. It is very safe and effective. It is also good for hair. It contains vitamin A, E, and this is called olive oil. It is fatty fish oil. It is very good and safe. Once your skin lacks this, then you start noticing rashes, you start noticing chicken skin. There's one other name they call it. I'll put it here. This is just the best remedy for that chicken skin and that stuff that appear on your chest. So guys, I also use this carrot soap. It helps a lot. It is finished now. I can't really show you the pack. It comes in a white nylon, like a wrapped white nylon. I also used it to get rid of sunburn. It also clears acne. It also clears pimples. Like, this carrot soap is really good. I think they now have the fake one because the last time I bought it, it made everything worse. And also this K Brother papaya soap. I think K Brother papaya soap, I won't even recommend it for now. Like, I can't find the original K Brother papaya soap that will help you get rid of dark spots and sunburn. Secondly, you also need an egg white soap that has like yolk inside of it. That soap will help you get rid of sunburn, but you have to watch out for the fake one. I will put a picture of the fake and the original one so you can see the difference. The fake one has one yellowish tone. The original one, the yolk doesn't really look very yellowish, and the other part of the egg is really white and transparent. Why the fake one doesn't really look transparent as the original one, I'll put a picture for you to make it clear. I have also been getting comments on my previous skincare video on products. Have I tried this product? I have not tried all those skincare brands. I am just here to share my honest review. Have you tried this? Have you tried that? I can't start mentioning him. I have not tried it. And I also asked few of my friends, oh, have you tried this product? They'll be like, oh no, these influencers are lying to you. It doesn't work. It gave me sunburn. You have to be careful. If you're trying any product, you also have to use a sunscreen. Why didn't you use a sunscreen when you apply most of these products? Are we talking about this baby face? I went to a big cosmetic shop. I told them I wanted like a cream to get rid of sunburn. I'm having acne because I traveled and I've been working due to stress now. So the lady was like, oh, this baby face cream, it's really nice. I don't even like how it looks. I don't like pink cream. Why would I buy pink cream? I don't like it. She was like, it's very effective, but I don't even like how it looks. I don't like the color, pink color. So I was like, okay fine, let me just give it a try and see. Full, I didn't really use it. Within 1 week, I did not see any changes. I was just applying something on my face at night. Nothing. It doesn't even have a single smell. I don't even know if they sold fake for me. Whenever I apply it on my face, it just sticks to my skin. It doesn't even have any good smell. It is just there. There was no changes. Like, no, this man sold Eba or something to me. I don't even understand, because I'll have to massage it into my skin, and there was no changes. As you can see, it is still very new. So I won't even advise you to go for this, or maybe I got the fake one. But I think this is not even worth it. The color and everything is so difficult to absorb into my skin. It was really. I also bought this product, Pigment Just, to get rid of acne and sunburn. When I got this product, the lady told me to buy this product. I was like, I already tried the serum and I don't like it. She was like, maybe you bought the fake one. I don't know why. Everywhere you see fake products, once something is going where they will go and do fake one. I don't understand. So guys, I saw this one. I told the lady, I can't buy this product. I don't like the other serum. It is not working for me. She was like, give it a try. I said, okay, let me give it a try. So I will come here and give my honest review. So I bought it and it worked. It is very good. It works, and yeah, it looks yellow. Done using it. I added the fish oil to it and I saw changes, but I don't like how it feels. It feels really hot. I don't like hot cream. I love settle cold cream. When you apply it on your skin, you won't feel like, no, you're applying tube lotion. It feels like tube lotion. It feels like it is too harsh for my skin, but it worked. I just want something very settled that would sit on my skin as a moisturizer. I don't want something really hard, because this feels like a hot tube cream, which I can't do. It's not another cream. I got this cream. I love the packaging. Aside from the packaging, it feels very good. It works like magic. The name of the cream is X5 Gold Facial Cream. When I saw the cream, I was like, oh, this fine cream again, nice packaging. It won't be nice. It won't even work. All this good something. She was like, give it a try. This cream is really nice. This is like the last one. I was like, I beg, all this hyping. That was what she told me about the other cream. I bought this cream now and I'm still looking for this cream. I can't even find the cream. I added the oil to this cream. That is why it looks like this. This is a white cream to give it that vitamin A and, you know, moisturize my skin. And since I don't apply this cream during the day, I apply it at night. It works well for me. I would advise you to get this if you notice any skin diseases. Trust me, make your research about this product. Since I couldn't find my X5 Gold cream anymore, I decided to try another face cream from a brand. It helps get rid of acne. This acne face cream works like magic. But this is not a sponsored video, and these products are very affordable. This is not even up to 3,000 naira. I got it with this for like 5,000 naira, guys. I got it for like 5,000 naira. This lady created time. She educates me about my skin. She's a skin therapist, guys. This is Kem Skincare. She was even asking me, have you seen review? I said this is not working. I was feeling like, oh fine, this lady just deceived me. After a week, I saw a result. Then I was like, wow, so this is actually working. She was like, I told you to be patient. It is not chemical, it is natural product. This is what I'm using for now, and when I start using another product, I'll definitely come here and give you guys my honest review. This is not sponsored. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you use a sunscreen and make sure you use a moisturizer. Secondly, if you notice any skin disease, go online and search for it. Trust me, I guess you are missing vitamin A, you are missing vitamin E. So get your code liver oil. Stay moisturized, guys. The food you eat, the drink you take will reflect on your skin. So make sure you stay hydrated, wash your face with cold water, use your sunscreen, stay moisturized, use natural products, eat good food. take your vitamins, vitamin fruit. And I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find this video entertaining. Please make sure you share with friends, or give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. Let's educate each other. Leave a comment below if you have any other idea on what to use. I hope to see you in my next or my previous video. Thank you guys so much for being here again. Bye.